here I have the GE 120 watt miser light bulb, the Par38 bulb. It's supposed to be equivalent of a 150 watt incandescent. It does not show lumens, but I'm sure this thing gets as bright. It says the same useful light, same mean spread, and it saves 20% energy. Yeah, very nice. It saves up to like $3.60 over its lifetime. It's not a lot though, but it's good enough though. Very nice bulb. I'm sure it's probably like 750 hours. It's medium skirted base. So yeah, let's open it up. So here's this. That. There's a lot of heat radiation. You should not put it near like vegetables. So I'm gonna screw it into the light socket. Here's the bulb. Spray that away. Yeah, it's a classic Par38 bulb. The halogens are like almost the same thing. This one just says a filament. You cannot see the filament though. But it is a horizontal shape. It's not a C-shaped, unfortunately, or a vertical shape. It's very rusty. It's been used, but it works well. So I'm gonna screw it in and turn it on. If I can just do this at the same time. I'm not gonna turn it on until I get this off the floor because I'm not gonna burn my floor like I did with the other bulbs. Yeah, EcoSmart. So I'm gonna turn it on now. Yeah, look at that. Very nice and bright and hot. All that. So it's very nice and bright. I can feel the heat projecting. Yeah, I'm not gonna put this near my phone at all. But I can touch the bottom part. That's not a problem. So I'm gonna leave this on for a few minutes. I'm gonna shut off the lights and move that shirt out of the way. I don't want to show my mess. So I removed the hot light bulbs as a shirt. It's too hot to touch. Look at that light output. It's like a floodlight. So it is a floodlight though. Very nice and hot and bright. Look at that. Produce a lot of useful light. I want to see if this can burn paper in the next video when I do the thermometer readings. Look at that. I can move it around. Yep. Very nice and bright. Bright and hot. Yeah, I just put a lot of useful light there. Yeah, I'm barely looking at that. It's getting really hot. I'm gonna set this down, turn on, off, and move on to the next video. See the cooldown. Wow, that's a cooldown for a 120 watt bulb. Okay, it's very dark now. I'm gonna turn on the light. Look at that. That is super duper bright and hot. You feel the heat already from that light. I can barely put my hand near that. Barely touch that too. Just look how much light this is projecting. Just so much light there. A lot of useful light. See everything lit. Look how red the can is. 100% CRI. Very nice light. I am amazed this is light. You can see my colors are accurate and everything. When I turn it on, my stopwatch. See, look at that. A lot of useful light there. Yeah. Incandescent is awesome. Better than LEDs. I'm not gonna put my phone near that. Oh my god, it's very hot. Wonder how hot this fixture will get. It's not hot at all, but the bulb will get really hot. Look at that. See the filament on the camera as well. Barely though. Look at that. Just so much light. I'm impressed. Just a lot of light. So, I'm gonna pause the video and wait 20 minutes so this thing gets hot. So let's move on. It's been on for like 18 minutes. This thing is really getting that hot. Yeah, I'm just gonna do the burning paper thing at the end of the video, this part of the video. It's just gonna take a while to burn the paper, but it will do it if you have it on long enough. So, I'm gonna wait for the clock to tick. So, let's move on. It's been on for 20 minutes. See how the thing gets. Walls are at like 68 degrees now. It's getting a little cooler out. So I'm gonna measure the bulb temperature. Yeah, that thing is getting really hot. Barely go near that. Yeah, 367. That is projecting a lot of heat. Yeah, roughly 350 degrees for a 120 watt bulb. Incandescent. Yeah, it's just getting hotter. It is. I can feel the heat. I can barely measure this. Yeah, I just barely do it. Yeah, it's hotter than a 250 watt metal halide light there. That is really hot. This gets hotter than a metal halide light at 250 watts. Yeah, those measure like 350 at the most. And someone said it's been on for 5 hours and measured at like 347 degrees. That's really hot. Sure, that can burn a fixture. Yeah, that's roughly 350 degrees. Barely have that near the light. That's so hot. It's about like a 150 watt incandescent. Yeah, I'm burning my hands. They're barely getting near that light. It's just too hot. So I'm gonna turn this off. Yeah, look at that cool down. Yeah, I'm not gonna touch that. It's so hot. I got the light off. It's still like around 200 degrees. I can barely touch it. So I'm gonna turn that on. Start the stopwatch. See if I can burn that paper. I'm gonna measure it. It's almost accurate now. So yeah, it's already at like 135 degrees. Yeah, it just keeps getting really hotter. It keeps getting hotter and hotter. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend trying this at home. You can try if you want though. So we're hitting 160 there. No burning yet. Remember the room temperature is 71 degrees. So we're set reading 69 right now though. On my wall. Yeah, it keeps getting hotter and hotter. 170 now. Yeah, it's at 192 now. It's already reaching 200. I'm not gonna start a fire, but I'm just gonna see how much it smokes. Yeah, it's just gonna take a while. I'm just gonna pause the video and let you know how long it's gonna take. It's like 3 minutes already since it's been on. Got the paper close to the bulb. My bad. It was like 2 inches away, so it's just gonna take forever. It's 2 inches away. It's been on for 4 minutes now. I saw a little bit of smoke. I'm not gonna leave it on too long though. Yeah, it's 362 already. But there's no heat producing like more than an inch away, so it's just gonna be accurate. See the thermometer not going up. This thing is really accurate, and it can measure high temperatures even if this is really hot. Yeah, it's 393 now. Got to smell it now. Yeah, paper burns around 450 degrees Fahrenheit. There is a little bit of burning from the heat. Yeah, it's reaching nearly 400 degrees now. This thing gets really hot. Should probably start smoking at like 420 or something. You can safely be near that piece of papers over the bulb. Oh my god, it's 402 now. That paper is really burning now. Yeah, and safely touch it. Just a little inaccurate though. But this thing measures accurately. Even if the bulb is, even if this thermometer is hot. Looks like I'm just gonna end it. At least I burned it a little bit. It's been on for 9 minutes. See how hot this thing gets right now. Yeah, it's getting hotter and hotter. Yeah, this thing is measuring accurately. 500 now. Oh my. This gets hotter and hotter. Yeah, 500. I've never seen a 120 watt bulb get that hot. But remember, this is the heat's producing on the front rather than all around like a normal incandescent. Yeah, it's a reflector bulb. Yeah, 150, typical 150 watt gets around like 340. This gets hotter. So I'm gonna end this video and turn this off now. Thanks for watching. This is a very nice bulb.